Hi, I'm Denise, and this is our RV that we live in full time. Every month we have a new place to call home. Inside, our home is always the same, but outside, it's always different. Before Google Maps, we used guidebooks, paper maps, and then when we were driving, we hoped we never made a wrong turn. Google Maps introduced the local guide program to me when it noticed I was taking so many pictures. And now, Google Maps is my companion. I'm excited about being in a new area. I love exploring everything that the area has to offer. Participating as a local guide has enriched our lives and the experiences that we've had. I am so grateful to the local guide program and all the opportunities that it has provided us.